The Motorola Solutions XT400 Series, built tough to do business better. Whether you're managing resources on a manufacturing line or coordinating staff across your campus, you need to communicate quickly without missing a beat. With crisp, clear audio throughout the workplace and exceptional durability, the XT400 Series won't quit in high noise, tough conditions, and hard use. Voice announcement gives you the information you need to be prepared. Available in 10 languages, this feature announces battery level and channel every time you power up. And with the long life battery, you get up to 20 hours runtime, so there's no need to recharge halfway through a shift. Make it easier to know who you're talking to on your radio. The channel alias feature gives you the flexibility to nickname channels. For example, customize channel 1 as Classroom 9 and channel 2 as Admin Office, and instantly know who you're communicating with. The XT400 Series supports 16 channels, all with 219 privacy codes for improved choice and to protect against interference. With voice prompts, it's easy to program your radio even without a display. Just follow the voice prompts on the radio to change the frequency, code, or auto-scan. Be confident your radio is programmed correctly and ready to go. Never miss a message. The loud and clear 1500 milliwatt speaker ensures messages can be heard even in noisy environments. The XT400 Series is built to be tough. The radios undergo Motorola Solutions' unique and grueling accelerated life testing that simulates up to 5 years' use. Motorola Solutions carries out this extensive program of testing to ensure every radio is fit to face the challenges of any environment. Whatever your business needs, there's the right XT400 radio for you. Motorola Solutions XT400 Series, built tough to do business better.